Dear friend, I'm very excited. It's 10 p.m. o'clock in my country, in Italy. In the next couple of hours, I will release the first version of Flared 1.0. So, who of you has made a pre-order will receive the first complete functionally version of Flared. Just take a look at what you have to do to install it. So you have to go to Blender 2.8. Remember, it works only in Blender 2.8 and not in Blender 2.81, because we are working at Blender 2.81. There are some changes in the shaders that need our work to be compatible with this version. So now you have to work in Blender 2.81. Don't use this version of Flared for important works, because you'll have to change your flares when the Blender 2.81 will be released in November. So you can take this version as if it was a beta version, because we are working on the next version. It's not our fault, it's a decision of the Blender Foundation to modify the shaders. As we already said in other video, it may be very important to make Flared compatible with cycles. You'll have to go here in preferences, install, select your zip file that may be like the one I have on my desktop, I don't know, flared.vfx.zip, double click it and install. Maybe it will ask you the password. The password is the one you will receive with your email. So you have to put this password in the form and save it. Then Flared will be activated and you will see it here. With Flared here, maybe you'll have an error message like this one that I've said here. For security reason, automatic execution of Python script in this file was disabled. You'll have to permanently allow execution of script, allow execution, and then Flared will work with no problems. Going back to Blender 2.8, you'll have to select the template that you prefer. You have to select your camera, you have to select the light or the empty or the object that you want to assign a flare, and then click on this plus button. In this way you go to your camera, you will activate the render view, and now you will see your flare. You could modify it by selecting all these operators here, and you know what to do taking a look at our tutorials on the YouTube channel. So there are some news. The news are that as we have to modify the core of our shaders to adapt them to Blender 2.81, we have decided to extend the pre-order period till the release of Blender 2.81. So I don't remember now if there is a correct date for the release of Blender 2.81. We will be ready for the official release date of Blender 2.81 with our Flared, with the new version that will be compatible with 2.81 but will be not compatible with 2.80. Just remember, this is very important. Don't write us saying, oh my god, what happened, all my project made with this version of Flare are not compatible with the new version of Blender, because we already told you that there is no compatibility because of the change of the shader transparencies. Have a good day and make a good job. Bye bye.